Alright, in this video, I want to talk about chapter 167. Now, more about Denji's come. Now, it's a bit of a comparison between mine and his. Mine is more transparent, his is more white. That's probably because it's a manga, it's a book, it's drawn. So, there's that. And I also want to talk about, was she really jerking him off? Because I don't really think so. I think just pre-came with her hand on his balls. This is really what I think. And also, it's a pretty small load, I'm just saying. So yeah, I just feel like he just pre-came because just making out with her. So yeah, that's really about it. He doesn't really have that big of a load. That's really about it.